Hello students, today we will start worksheet 5 chapter 4. Question 1. Solve the following word problems. A part. Anjali spent 1 upon 5 of her pocket money on comics and 3 upon 4 on sweets. How much of her pocket money did she spend altogether? Students, listen. In this, Anjali spent 1 upon 5 of her pocket money on comics. Students, on comics, 1 upon 5 of her pocket money, right? How much pocket money she was getting, we don't know, but that's 1 upon 5 part she spent on comics and 3 upon 4 on sweets. Okay. How much of her pocket money did she spend altogether means total amount, total part of her pocket money spent on comics and sweets. So students, here we will find the sum of 1 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. That will be the total part of pocket money which was spent by her on comics and sweets. Now we will solve money spent on comics. We will write 1 by 5. Money spent on sweets 3 upon 4 part of pocket money, right? Now we will find total money spent, or you can say total part of pocket money spent. Okay, 1 by 5 plus 3 upon 4. We will add this, that will be the total. Now we will solve this 1 by 5 plus 3 upon 4. First of all, we will find the LCM of 5 and 4. Here we find the LCM of 5 and 4 and we get that is 20. Now LCM we will write here, divide 20 by 5, 4, multiply 1, plus 20 divided by 4, 5, multiply 3, 4 1 ja 4, plus 5 3 ja 15, 4 plus 15, 19 by 20. So 19 upon 20 of her pocket money was spent on comics and sweets. B part. In a high jump contest, Rakesh jumped 3 and 8 upon 9 meter and Rakesh jumped 4 and 1 upon 3 meter. Who jumped more height and by how much? Ramesh jumped 3 and 8 upon 9 meter. We will convert it into improper fraction. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 8, 35 upon 9. Now Rakesh jumped 4 and 1 upon 3 meter. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 upon 3 meter. Okay. Now who will jump more? Listen students. Ramesh jumped 3 meter and some also. Rakesh jumped 4 and some. Means 4 is more than 3. So Rakesh jumped more. Okay. 4 is greater than 3. Total will be, this will be greater than this. So Rakesh jumped more. By how much? We will subtract this number 35 upon 9 from 13 upon 3. Right? Now here we will subtract this. We will find the first of all LCM of 3 and 9. 3 and 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Again by 3, 1, 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. This is your LCM. Okay. Now we will solve 9 divided by 3. 3 into 13 minus 9 divided by 9, 1, multiply 35. 13 3s are 39 minus 35 1s are 35. 39 minus 35 is 4 upon 9. So Rakesh jumped more by 4 upon 9 meter. Okay. Now C part. In C, during examination, Sonal studied for 3.5 hours. Exams were going on. Sonal studied for 3.5 hours. Okay. She studied science for 1 and 1 upon 4 hours. Listen, students. She studied science for 1 and 1 upon 4 hours, and mathematics for rest of the hours, and in remaining hours she studied mathematics. How much time did she study mathematics? Okay, total hours she studied 3 and 1 upon 2 hours, and science studied 1 and 1 upon 4 hours. For finding the time of for mathematics, we will subtract 1 and 1 upon 4 from total time. Total time is 3 and 1/2 hours. So Sonal studied science 5/4. 4 1 ja 4 plus 1 5/4. She studied science and maths both. Total study time 3 and 1/2 hours. 2 3 ja 6 plus 1 7. 7/2 hours. Okay. So Sonal studied maths. Total time minus time for science. Okay. From total time, we will subtract time given to science. 7/2 minus 5/4. Okay. 7/2 minus 5/4. First of all, we will find out the LCM of 2 and 4. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Okay. Now take it here. You all can easily solve it. 14 minus 7 to the 14 minus 5 1 the 5. 9/4. So Sonal studied maths for 9/4 hours, means 2 and 1/4 hours. Now part D. Mr. Gupta had 15 and 2/5 liters of petrol in her car. Total. He had this petrol. Okay. He went for a drive. By the time he reached home, he had only 2 and 1/3 liters of petrol left. How much petrol was used? Listen, students. When he went for driving, petrol in car was 15 and 2/5 liters. Okay. And when he reached home back, the remaining petrol was 2 and 1/3. For finding how much petrol was used, we will subtract this remaining petrol from total petrol. Okay. Petrol in car 15 and 2/5 liters. 5 15 ja, or you can say 15 5 ja 75 plus 2 77/5 liters. This petrol was in car. Petrol left 2 and 1/3. 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7. 7/3 liters. Petrol used. Petrol in car minus petrol left. 77/5 minus 7/3. Okay. Now first for solving this, we will take the LCM of 5 and 3. Here first of all we will divide the first prime number 3. 3 1 ja 3, 5 1 ja 5. So 5 3 is 15. This is the LCM. Put it here. Okay. Now divide 15 by 5. 3 3 into 77 minus 3 5 are 5 into 7. 231 minus 35/15. When you will subtract, you will get 196/15. This is the petrol which was used for drive. How much liters? 196/15 liters, or you can say 13 and 1/15 liters. E. Mr. Kumar bought 2 and 2/5 kilogram potatoes, 2 kilogram onions, and 1 and 2 upon 5 kilogram tomatoes. Find the total weight of vegetables. Mr. Kumar Bottle. Listen. Here, weight of potatoes is 2 and 2 upon 5 kilogram. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12 upon 5. Weight of onions is 2 kilogram. 2 upon 1 kilogram. Tomatoes 1 and 2 upon 5. 5 ones are 5 plus 2 7. 7 upon 5 kilogram. Okay. They are asking about the total weight of vegetables. Now we will add all these. When we find out the LCM of 5, 1 and 5, we will get LCM 5. 5 divided by 5, 1 multiply 12 plus 5 divided by 1, 5 multiply 2 plus 5 divided by 5, 1 multiply 7. 12 ones are 12, 5 2s are 10, 7 ones are 7. Total is 29 upon 5. Total weight of vegetables is 29 upon 5 kilogram is equal to 5 and 4 upon 5 kilogram. This is the total weight of vegetables. Now F. Neha used 1 and 1 by 2 meter red ribbon, 3 upon 4 meter yellow ribbon and 1 meter white ribbon. For her project, she was preparing one project. For that, she used red, yellow and white ribbon. Okay. Find the total length of ribbon she used for her project. Okay. Length of red ribbon is 1 and 1 by 2 meter, means 3 upon 2 meter. Yellow ribbon is 3 upon 4 meter. White ribbon is 1 meter. Total length means we will add all these three. Okay. LCM of 2, 4 and 1 is 4. Now we will solve this. We find that the total length of ribbon is 13 upon 4 meter, or you can say 3 and 1 upon 4 meter. Thank you.